Hey, Martin here. Today I want to show you a little drone build I did. So let's just do it. Yep, it's a wither spawner. And I used blue flower reinforced sapphire glass to make it weatherproof. And yeah, that's about it. So let's see how this works. I think you can imagine, well, if you look from a hardware perspective, it doesn't look like much, and it isn't. There's one drone controlling the redstone signal, so that makes sure that sequentially first this redstone will leave, and then this one to open the door, and the other way around for closing the door. Now, if you look at the program, let's get rid of these slimes. If you look at the program, I added some comments, and what it does, it basically goes to this location. It then goes to standby, so it will just drop to the ground and won't use any power. And we'll check if a certain global variable is true. So what that means, the global variables are variables that are global. They are shared in between, well, dimensions and the world even. So this allows us to let drones communicate with each other. So this drone just looks for that variable, and when that variable equals x equals 1, y 0, and z 0, then it will then it will jump to this one. It will first make sure that the west signal is set to 15, so that's that way. So it pushes out the piston, and then we'll do the other piston after that. And when it's false, it will do the other way around. So that's all there is to it for that drone. And you can get this program by using pastebin. So let me get the correct code. You can go in an empty programmer or any programming program and click this button and paste it in there, and then do a get from pastebin, and we'll get it, and there you go, you've got the program yourself. I'll include this link in the description, and the same for this program. We get that one as well right away. Do that, and that's this link, and I'll also include that one. So that's quite a big program, this. And basically what it's doing is it's checking if the redstone signal is set right here. And if it is, it will do its thing and make sure not to be peaceful, else the wither won't be summoned. Yeah, we noticed. And then it will check the inventory to make sure that there are enough components to craft the wither. So it will check for at least 3 wither skeleton skulls, and it will check for at least 4 soul sand. And when that's the case, it will set this this global variable we're using right here to 000, meaning that the door will open. And this is the same as doing this. So an empty coordinate. And also notice this new feature I added. It allows you to easily grab some pieces you need. And after it's opening the door, it does that in advance, so because this will take a few ticks. And in the meantime, it will grab the 3 wither skeleton skulls and the 4 soul sand it needs. And then we'll place them down in the location we specify. So there we go, 4 soul sands right there. And we also place 3 wither skeleton skulls on top of the 3 blocks right here. So notice I'm not using the blocks above there, but the 3 blocks that also are places where soul sand will be. And the reason is we are using a right-click block piece right here. So it's right-clicking on that block, causing the wedge skull to appear above that. And after that we're going out of this cage and on top of the charging station, and afterwards, oops, we make sure to close the door and then go standby, so we're not using any power while we're waiting for our next command. So that's basically it. I have added some comments to to allow you to understand the program even more, and I'm also including the pastebins in the video description. So I hope you all like watching this, and thank you for watching, and bye bye.